Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to make fresh basil pesto sauce. So right here, I already washed and dried 2 cups of fresh basil from my garden, and I found a little friend in the bag when I pruned them. And then, so you need 2 cups of fresh basil. I juiced 1 whole lemon, 3/4 cup of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese, about 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt or whatever salt you want to use, and some half a teaspoon of pepper, black pepper, about 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. Usual recipes say like 2 or 3, but I love garlic, so 7 or 8. And half a cup of pine nuts. So I added all the ingredients in a blender, and I'm going to hit the puree setting and blend it. Pause it so you can move it around and then blend it all more. So my pesto is all blended, and most importantly, you want to add about 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And there you go, fresh pesto sauce. Delish.